Hello students, today I'll talk about atom, element and compound. Atom is the unit, particle, basic fundamental particles. Element is also made up of atoms, compound is also made up of atoms. So what's the difference? Atom is a unit particles that consists of a nucleus, and inside the nucleus they have protons and neutrons, and outside of the nucleus they have electrons and orbitals. In that, these are orbitals and electrons are inside the orbitals. For example, hydrogen has one electron, and if we talk about helium it has two. If we talk about carbon, it has six. Likewise, different atoms has different number of protons, different number of electrons. Okay, if the same type of atoms are joining, then they form element. For example, carbon, 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 carbon. Same kind of atoms join to form element. And two different kinds of atoms, if there are two kinds of atoms, like for example, if carbon joins with oxygen, it forms carbon monoxide and it is a compound. And also if carbon join with oxygen as CO2, then it's also the compound. That now it's understood that element is something that the same kind of atoms, and compound is something that has different kinds of atoms. And we can they have the physical properties also, like elements is that we can categorize as conductors, can categorize as solid, liquids, like, but we cannot categorize as